guys, welcome back. We are going to be unboxing a special edition 2 cubes. Normally I do 1 cube. No, not today. Today I'm doing these 2 cubes. Let me put this up. Oh, and also guys, today I also went to my first competition. It's really fun. I enjoyed it. Okay. Now, let's see if there's anything else I need to get out. Okay. So, let me just put this back in. Yeah, so I didn't go off to a great start because the only score that I got was not any plus or plus 2s were was my second attempt out of 5, so I'm a bit disappointed. Anyway, we've got the gan356 maglev and the gan12 maglev. I'm gonna open this one first. Obviously, this is my first time unboxing this, so I'm not like some of my other videos where I've unboxed it already and I'm just showing what it would look like for me. So it's a nice case. Let's open it. Can you open it? This week is one of the tricky cases. Okay, so it comes with this little card. Don't really need that. So I'm just going to put that all in there. Here's the accessories, if I can get this out. Alright, just open it. So we've got this scan cube bag, like always. And then this thing that I've already got for my 14 maglev. I'm just putting it in there. Okay, yes, it's in there. I'm just gonna put that over here in here with my other thing. C-fob family thingy. Don't open that. And this little gan356 tutorial on how to adjust your cube, which I do not want to do because I normally don't like adjusting my cube. Time for the cube. Comes in this case. Hang on. So it's honestly really nice. It's UV coated if you did not know. Corner cutting. Yeah, so not bad. Okay. First thoughts about this cube. It's fast controllable. It's shiny. It's a good size for my hands because my hands are small, teeny weeny. Well, not really. Yeah. These magnets. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, it's time. It's awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That one 14 maglev, but like different. Cause like it feels different. So yeah. 31 seconds. One more and then I'll move on to our next one for our special edition. Now if you see this, you're in luck because this is my special edition video where I unbox 2 cubes. Also guys, I also got this cube today, which I've already unboxed, so that I used in my comp. But I'm not sure what the cube is. Wait. So these 2 cubes are just more. Not that much there. I'll just quickly go solve on this and then I'll go back to this one. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, yeah, so I like that one, but I was only going to do one solve with it since this is not my main video today. So, back to this one. Let's do one more solve. Three, two, wait, I'm just going to try some more. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That guys was I'm just going to scan this one more because I leave it inside in the stopwatch, which is great. "45 seconds, not the best. It's a good case, I like it. Yeah, that's the gan356. Thanks for watching. for the gan356. Up next we have dun 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 dun. I'll do that later. Do that later. Okay. Put this over here. Put this on. And then the kids here. So, there's that side. Up next, we have gan12 maglev. This one's a bit easy to out. Opening it. Got a gan card. Look at the accessories first. Oh, AirPods. Oh. So at the chart, I've got three AirPods. Okay. Nosy for fun. That's alright. I don't know. Another one of these. Boring, boring, boring. That's it for the accessory box. Go down as slow as you can go. Reach up, bars in the sky. Nice little bag here. Well, as always, it's the same bag with my AirPods in. Alright, so let's get to the actual cube now. Like always, you've got to try this checkable pattern. Not bad. It's fast. And guys, I'm just judging them by nails with my fingernails. I'm just adjusting it to my setting that I like to use. Maybe this way. I'm just going to get this out. Be a lot more easier. My AirPods out. Got my AirPods. USB, so they're not doing the magnets. That's a bit of a bummer. I can't get my AirPods back in. I don't want to break it, but... Did I just break it? Yeah, I just broke it. Okay. That's better. AirPods are all good. This is so damn hard. I'm just gonna get out the magnet adjusting tool from here. Biscuits. Boomers. Okay, hopefully this will be any better. Oh, I just did that all for nothing. They're all the same. Got to be joking, guys. I'm so annoyed with myself. It's very rackety. And like, I'm not saying it's not a good cube, but it's very rackety. I'm just gonna do some soles. This is nice. Okay, I'm just going to do something real quick, which is get out this. I got this from this person who was selling this mat, so I'm lucky to get it. Let me get these off. Okay, let's do another solve. Could have done better. I think it was the start that mucked me up, but other than that, I think it's a really good cube. Final review. Actually, I want to see the height comparison. Same size. Which one should you get? Your choice. They're both really good cubes. If you are asking what one should you get, I said both. Exactly. My favourite is, well, both of them. Because it's a special edition and I've not got 2 cubes in the house normally to unbox. So it is a special edition because I never normally have that. So, thank you guys for watching this special edition today. And I hope you have a good day. And would you get these cubes? Yes. Yes is my answer. There you go. Let's put all this away in the box. Peace.